If you've got a Range Rover, then I'm sure you're already aware that they're getting stolen very often, and guess what? Aftermarket security is the only option for you. Now, you might ask, what aftermarket security have you got options for Range Rovers like this one here? This is a 2015 onward shape. We can do obviously security on all JLR platform, but this one has gone for alarm and immobilizer. Now, we're fully aware that you can have ghost products installed. We do a lot of those, which work extremely well on this, which in our opinion is the cheapest, best security system available. But our customer opted for a full alarm system by a company called Pandora, who we do a lot of their security range on. They have a large range, but this customer's gone for the best product called the Pandora Elite. I'm gonna go through how the Elite works. We're gonna explain all the features the Elite Pandora does. First and foremost, it is an immobilizer as well as an alarm. What you've got is you've got an alarm immobilizer tag, which is that item there. Acts as a key ring. Now what that does, that in essence stops the car from starting. So without that tag, the car doesn't start. So even if they were to have your keys or do the usual relay attack, you know, the things where they hold an amplifier around your house door and they amplify the key and then they're at the door handle grabbing it, and obviously it lets you in like this, allows them to keep pushing start button. Well, that would be a thing of the past for them stealing it if they don't have that tag. Okay, that is as simple as that tag works. Reason why it works like that is because we've done, I think, 3 immobilizer points on this car. So you've got starter immobilization, you've got ignition immobilization, and you've also got fuel cut immobilization. So 3 points of immobilization that this car did not have as standard. We've added them all, hidden them all, extremely hard to bypass and find. It'd have to have some serious uninterrupted time to bypass our system, because the way we install it is so well buried and so well covered that even the best thieves are not getting past it. Now this alarm comes with a few other options. I'm going to arm it. You get obviously the arm and disarm chirp, which is an audible indication it's got security. So if someone is hanging around outside your house, they're going to hear the beeps. That's one thing. On the windscreen in the middle, you have a flashing Pandora, which is also an aerial. That there. Now that Pandora logo is going to be flashing nice and bright at night, which is again a visual deterrent. So after audible deterrents and visual deterrents, you like to think they wouldn't even try it, but they might still try it. So we've also fitted the alarm that's got shock sensor in it. So if someone wants to, you know, hit the vehicle hard enough, the alarm's going to give them a warn away beep that it's got an alarm on it. And if they hit it really hard, now I'm not damaging the car in the slightest, I'm using a tyre for this demonstration. The alarm is going to go off like that. So it's got a shock sensor on it. When the alarm goes off, it also calls you. So our customer right now, because he's already logged into the system, is going to be getting a phone call to say his alarm is going off, and therefore to find out what's going on, or if he's not local, ring someone to go on. We have tilt sensor. So you see these rather large wheels that are probably a few thousand. If the vehicle is jacked up above the degree it's at right now or moved, the alarm also goes off. It has interior movement sensors. So if someone wants to smash a window and get in that way, the alarm also goes off. Now I'm fully aware that factory alarms have a lot of these sensors standard, but do they call you within 5 seconds the alarm going off? No, they don't. I have a BMW alarm on my own car, and the BMW alarm is about a minute behind the Pandora at letting me know the alarm's gone off. Okay, so the Pandora is such a quicker system, probably because it's got a 4G aerial on it, you know, so there's lots of reasons why the Pandora is better than the actual factory alarms. But the most important thing is the immobilization, as I mentioned earlier. If the vehicle is already under motion and then someone was to hijack the owner out of this car, if the owner of the car kept that tag on them and the person drove off with the car, then it will actually detect that this identity tag is not present, and it will cut down at a safe distance. So they'll just leave the car and abandon it, and you can go on the app, because it's a tracker as well, by the way, locate the car and obviously go back to it and collect it later on. Now you might have some clever people that go, okay, what happens if you kept your keys on your tag and the car's driven off with the tags? Well, guess what? With a mobile phone, your mobile phone, you can ring the car up, the car identifies your mobile phone as being the allowed phone to ring it, and you can turn it off remotely from a mobile phone, your mobile phone. If they nick your keys and your tag and your phone, guess what? You can call from another phone, like this phone right here, and put a guest pin in and then turn the vehicle off that way. It's as simple as that. The car's got so much security on it, it is unbelievable. It is like Fort Knox, this vehicle. Now I'm going to show you what else we can do on this, because this vehicle has got something called remote start on. So if I open up the app on my phone right here and I hit the remote start button, I'm going to get a few flashes of the indicators to confirm that it's accepted my remote start command. Going to wait a few seconds. And it's all going to start up, but still be secure. Now, why would you want that feature? It's a bit of a gimmick, not going to lie, but if the car is fully iced over in the mornings because you're not lucky enough to have a garage, then guess what? It all demists and de-ices before you get in it. So if you're lucky enough to have, like I mentioned, heated steering wheel, heated seats, and all the features this Range Rover's got, it's going to be nice and toasty in there. So this customer has all the convenience, all the gimmicks, but more importantly, all the security to back it up and make sure that this stays in this Range Rover owner's possession. Now, I can't really go much more into this Elite. We're going to do another video on the Elite system to show how the remote shutdown works, how the anti-hijack works, and even how the remote shutdown works on another phone. But that'll be in another video because, as always, we've run out of time and battery max on our camera. Now, so I'm going to finish it there. This is a Range Rover. This is a Pandora Elite. This is well protected. End of story. Connor, John Kleis, Max behind the camera, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.